This is Janetta, and you're reading me a home day cooking. And I told you how difficult it was to teach somebody to cook when you're blind. I, at one time, taught a young lady in Costa Rica how to make every recipe that I could think of that was an American recipe. And it turned out great. I didn't speak her language, but I was able to show her by motion. It's different now because I can't see what she's doing half the time. So I'm dressed like this because I'm working today. This is a normal day. This is a regular day. And you need to see me on some of my regular days. So let's see how these cookies are going to turn out. So wait just a minute while she turns off the mixer so you can hear what we're saying. Okay, hold on just 1 second. The outcome of these cookies is not her fault, it's mine. Because I'm the one with the handicap. She can see, she can talk, she can hear. The only difficulty she has is because she's not a cook. So she's learning 2 lessons in one. I'm blind, can't see, can't speak her language. She can speak my language pretty good, and she can see. But she doesn't know how to cook, and I know how to cook, okay? So you see, this is how I'm letting you know you're gonna have to do some things in order to have what you would like to have, some things you'd like to have over here, because if you want sugar cookies, or oat milk cookies, or chocolate chip cookies, you're gonna have to fix them. So you'll have to teach somebody how to do it. And it's not that I eat them a lot, I don't eat them a lot, but I like to have them to be able to share little sweet treats with people. So this is what's happening. Now she has put the butter in there with the sugar, but because you need the butter softened, she just thought it could just, not be so soft. So to explain this to her, to take time, and taking time to be able to teach, because this time they won't be perfect, but they're going to be good. So hang in there. She's doing a good job. She's trying her best. We did make some oatmeal cookies, and they've turned out, they're really delicious. They're good. They're real good. Just need some raisins and some nuts, things like that. Hey, but they're really good. So just letting you know that it's not easy. You have to teach people a lot of things if you want them to know them. And that's just the way it is. How are you coming, Jeanette? What's going on in the kitchen?
I'm still smashing.
You're still smashing the butter. Now she's just trying to soften the butter so we can go on. So let me tell you this. Let me take a little break, and we're going to put this sugar cookie together, and hey, it's going to be great. So this is Jeanette right here. She's the young lady I'm trying to, she's trying to help me, and I'm trying to help her. And because it's so good to realize that you're teaching someone something that you never know what will happen in their lives. So Jeanette, so we got so far, but the recipe we're looking at online, it's a little bit different than what we're used to. And she said 1/2 cup of flour, and so just put the flour in, that 1/2 cup of flour. And they say we don't have to put it in the refrigerator, but I think we put it in the refrigerator because it won't be so sticky to cut it out. Now we're having to do things according to how. You can't wait till you have everything in place. If you're over here and you're not going to do anything till you get everything in place, whoo, child, you won't get anything done. So you have to learn how to work with what you have. Yeah, and so that's the way they do. So we have to learn how to work within their parameters. We have to learn how to work with and adjust to how they can receive it and what they can afford. So I'm trying to make sure that everything we do is something that she can also afford and duplicate at home. It was a long day. Yeah, we've been making cookies since what? 12. We started at 12:30. What time we start?
It was 12.
About
It was
12.
12:14. 12:14.
And what time is it now? What time is it?
It's 2, that's fine.
2. Okay. You know, you don't usually take this long to make cookies, but we're doing it today. Okay, now I just wanted to show you how we can work together and what it takes. And not only for this, it's for other things, a lot of other things. Now just think, I'm going to be able to teach her eventually how to make turkey and dressing, to cook a turkey, make dressing, make sweet potato pie, make all those kind of things that they are not acquainted with the taste. Now in Costa Rica, they didn't really like the dressing. They like corn, you know, because they eat corn. But the dressing was something they just couldn't get hold of. Like I can't get a hold of what they call fufu. I don't really like it. But I like my cornbread. She makes my cornbread. We've been attempting that. We make my cornbread, but they don't really care for it. You know, it's okay, but they don't really care for it. And that's the way it is. Some things that are just so delicious to us are not delicious to you, right?
Yeah.
And we have to respect that, right? Okay. This is just, I just wanted to explain some things to you. Now, this might be helpful in other things. Be patient, be willing to teach. If you look around for people that know, if I was looking around for somebody that knew exactly how to do my kind of cooking, or even that is a real good cook, I'd be looking around. I had one young lady that she could cook, but she couldn't clean. I kind of like the cleaning better than the cooking, because I can teach somebody how to cook, but it's hard sometimes to teach someone how to clean. Okay, yeah, well this is just today home, and don't tell me how bad I look, I know it.
Just wait for the
Yeah.
results.
Yeah. Oh, Jeanette, thank you for helping me out today. I really appreciate you. I just really appreciate it. And they're going to love you, because I told them you were beautiful. Okay, so we'll see you later. This is Janetta, and I'm just saying, hey, today, this is our cookie day. Thank you.
Janita and Janet.
We have I forgot to tell you. Her name is Jeanette. My name is Janetta. So, hey, it's all in the family. Isn't it great? Okay, I didn't ask you when were you born. Huh?